Don't start.
Don't.
I'm gonna go get like your granny status on you.
You got the Bonqui button up in there.
Oh my god. Leave my bun alone. Stop! You're gonna die right now. Stop! Stop!
Why? Why?
You
Why?
better not shoot me with that thing.
Why?
You're gonna die.
Why? How am I gonna die?
Stop.
How am I gonna die?
And leave me alone. I'm not gonna say it! Oh my god, I can't believe you just fucking sprayed me with that shit.
You gonna what?
I'ma cut you!